Hello everyone, it's been a while. Welcome back to our lecture. Today, we are going to solve a tiny but a little tricky grammar mystery. But before that, I have a simple question. Do you guys ever wonder why sometimes we say jump instead of jumps? Or play instead of plays? Well, we are now diving into the world of the subject-verb agreement. Subject-verb agreement means that the subject and the verb in a sentence must agree in number. This means that if the subject is singular, the verb should also be singular because a singular verb comes with S.
Teacher, why does the verb need an S when the subject is singular?
The S shows that only one person or thing is doing the action.
So, if the subject is plural, the verb does not end in S?
That's correct, Hannah. In subject-verb agreement, we have 13 rules. But today, we are just going to learn one rule, which is rule number 1. Now, what is rule number 1 about? When we say two or more subjects, that means there's more than one person or thing doing the action together. And when these two subjects are joined by and, they become plural and we use verbs without an S. For example, Mark, Peter, and Joseph play basketball every Saturday. Because there are 3 people, the subject is plural, so we use play, not plays.
So, if it were just one person, it would be Mark plays basketball every Saturday. Is that right, Teacher Anna?
Yes, Kara. When there's one subject, we add S to the verb. But when there are 2 or more people and they are joined by and, we remove the S. Did you guys enjoy watching and learning with Teacher Anna and her students? Today, we learned about subject-verb agreement and its rule 1. And this is when there are 2 or more subjects joined by and, the subject becomes plural and the verb should not have an S. So, to check if you learned something from the lecture, you know the next drill, quiz time! Help us pass through the rock valley. Choose the correct answer to avoid the rocks. Can you guess which verb is correct? Number 1. Jan and Tom blank to school. The correct answer is walk. Correct! We use walk because Jan and Tom are 2 people, so the subject is plural. Another one. Which verb is correct? The dog blank in the yard. The correct answer is place. Correct. We use place because the dog is just one animal. Another one. Which verb is correct? The teacher and the students blank about the lesson. The correct answer is talk. Correct. We use talk because the teacher and the students make a plural subject. Congratulations! Use the flashlight and shine the fish with the correct answer. Choose the correct verb. My sister and I blank clean the house. The correct answer is help. Correct. Next, she blank an apple. The correct answer is eats. Correct. Another one, Nemo and Dory blank with the turtles. The correct answer is swim. Correct. Congratulations! There's a huge wall of seaweed blocking our way. Help us remove the seaweed by answering correctly. Choose the correct sentence. The cat play with the ball. The cat plays with the ball. The correct answer is the cat plays with the ball. Correct! Next one. Choose the correct sentence. Lay and Lily dance ballet. Lay and Lily dances ballet. The correct answer is Lay and Lily dance ballet. Correct! Another one. Choose the correct sentence. Diane dives every week. Diane dive every week. The correct answer is Diane dives every week. Correct! Congratulations! Help us pass through the right tunnel by selecting the correct answer. What is the topic of today's lesson? Subject and verb agreement. Correct! Congratulations!
Thank you for helping me get back to shore.
Learning subject-verb agreement is important because it helps us make clear and correct sentences. When we know how to match the subject and the verb, our ideas become easier for others to understand. Just like how we follow rules when we play games, we also follow rules in English so our words sound right.